Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make payments in Connect IPs. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, go to login.mypayments.com. Now enter your username here. After this, enter your password and then click on login. After logging in, you can see an interface like this. If you are logging in from mobile, then the interface may be digital. Everything is same. Just UI may be different. Now click on transfer to and select bank account. And here you have to enter your bank account number. And this will show your linked bank account. And here we have to enter the transaction amount. So let me enter my transaction amount. $20,509. And here we have to enter beneficiary details. That means whom you are going to send this money. So let me just copy these details. Your account number is and in this field you have to enter account name. And here you have to select bank drop down. For me it's global. I am going to it Kamalaki branch, and in this field you can write transaction details. Actually, you have to type it here manually. And after filling all the details, we check these details once again. And now click on transfer. And here it shows the warning or confirmation of some difference in beneficiary account name of the transaction on site is irreversible. Please reconfirm the beneficiary account number. So you have to reconfirm the beneficiary account number, either it is correct or not. So it's correct for me. I will click on confirm. Now you can see the summary. Click on make payment, and here you have to enter your transaction password. So let me enter my password. Now click on continue. Now your transaction is completed successfully. You can download the PDF if you want. here you can see your transaction details. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps on here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.